Greetings, friend. Today, we are going to guess animal sounds. First, I'll show you a picture. Then you have to tell me what sound that animal makes. Then, I'll play the sound that animal makes, and you can do it along with me. What sound does a cow make? A cow says, moo. Can you make the moo sound? Moo. Moo. Good job. What sound does a pig make? A pig says, can you make the oink sound? That's silly, isn't it? What sound does a duck make? A duck says, quack, quack. Can you make the quack sound? Quack, quack. What sound does a dog make? A dog says, ruff, ruff. Can you make the ruff sound? Ruff, ruff. What sound does a horse make? Neigh. A horse says neigh, neigh. What sound does a bee make? A bee says bzz. Can you make the bzz sound? Bzz, bzz. What sound does a lion make? A lion says, roar. Can you roar like a lion? What sound does a cat make? Cats say, meow, and sometimes they purr. Can you meow and purr like a cat? What sound does a sheep make? Sheep say, ba, ba. Can you ba like a sheep? What sound does a rooster make? A rooster says, can you crow like a rooster? What sound does a chicken make? A chicken says, cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. What sound does a hyena make? Hyenas are kind of funny. They sound like they're laughing. Can you laugh like a hyena? Thanks for learning with me, Ms. K. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And go find another video I did on my YouTube channel. See you later.